Alright, this is what happens when birds are on weed. That's my bird son. Holy shit! Look at him. He got the munchies, yo. On some real shit. This motherfucker got the munchies. He fell. He fell. You hungry? Don't put your bird on weed, okay? Because birds don't need to be on weed. They high as hell. All he did was eat a little bit. He ate a little bit, right? So I'm gonna get this motherfucker high as hell. He's gonna think he can fly.
Me already high.
Swag.
You dehydrated. You got your water. I know you dehydrated.
I know he is, Joe. This motherfucker's tweaking. Joe, like on some real shit. You hungry as hell? I ain't never seen you eat this much. Especially this fast. Look. Oh, you don't want the treat, huh?
You want food.
That is food.